Hello everybody, it's Blocky and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add the Vwap indicator in Robinhood Legend. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and load up the chart of a company. So I have the SPY chart loaded up right here. Once you're here, you want to go click on this button at the top right corner. It looks like an F, and you'll see it says indicator. So if you click on that, you want to click on where it says add indicator. And we're going to scroll down until we see VWAP. So right here it is, volume weighted average price. So it's not this one up here. It's not the auto anchored one. We're just going to add this one here, the regular one. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to go ahead and just add right there. And here it is right here. So it's this purple line right here. Now we can, by clicking this button again right here, we can click on it and edit the properties. So it's not this purple color, so like we can make it white instead, and it's a little bit easier to see. It's kind of goes along with the EMA line right here, pretty similar to that line, but that is the VWAP line right there. And that's pretty much all you have to do in order to add the VWAP. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.